Around the house. That is Wango Tango, the awesome bird. Striped to be on its chest. Say hi. Hi, baby. Gave you a kiss on your cheek, huh? Say goodbye. This is Big Handsome. Say hi. Hi. That is Casey Bird. Say hi, Casey Bird. Say hi. Say hi. What you looking at? Something on the floor over there? Oh, no. Kiwi Tango just flew off the thing. There is Kiwi, the awesome bird. She's so awesome. She's pretty. She's sweet and nice. She lets me hold her now too. But see her toes? Sad. They're finally growing back because her mom and the tragic story. Say bye, Kiwi. Good girl. There's Casey once again. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. There's Big Handsome. Say bye.